Hi there. In this tutorial we are going to talk about debugging and monitoring your workflow. Easyflow allows you to debug your workflows and review all the performed operations and see the details of every step performed. From the toolbar debugger icon, you can see the history of the workflow runs, their statuses, the number of steps performed, the size of data processed, starting time, and the elapsed time. You can click every execution, deep dive into its details, and see what happened in every step. For every step, you can see its status, stating time and completion time. Also, by clicking on a step, you can see details about the request and response. By default, steps will show simple responses in order to protect sensitive information. If more details are required, you can enable the debugger for a step. Let's see how. From the Workflow Designer, click on a step and select Enabled from the Debugger section. Then, run the workflow again to see the newly received logs. As you can see, all details of the response are captured in the step logs. In addition, by clicking on the General tab of your workflow details, you can see more insights about it. For example, number of runs happening right now, number of succeeded runs, a total of runs all time, a total of steps all time, a total of failed, recent errors, and many more. Thank you for watching this tutorial.